Hi Taurus, welcome back. Today I have an announcement to make, guys. So, from now onwards, I'll be doing your reading every alternate days in this channel. So, Taurus, your next reading will be day after tomorrow. And another announcement, I have another channel for Scorpios. So, those who are interested to watch Scorpio reading, you can click on the link. I'll be giving the link in the description. You can watch that reading. That will be a daily reading channel. And Taurus, for you all also, I'll be doing a daily reading channel in future, and I'll be sharing the link. Sorry, guys, I'll be sharing the link in the description. So, today I'll be doing a reading for Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Scorpio, Cancer, and Pisces, and for the other six signs Leo, Aries, Sagittarius, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Tomorrow will be the reading for them. So, let's start the reading with these cards for your general energies, career situation, and relationship. So, today I'll be picking few cards for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, and one card for your moon energies today. So, this will be the card. We'll be picking one from the deck and one message card. If you like this reading and if it resonates, Taurus, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. So let's start with these cards for your general energies. We have Two of Wands in reverse, Fool, and Sun in reverse. So in your circumstances, in your relationship, you are happy about something, cheerful, confident about some circumstance, confident about this person you love, confident about this relationship, and you are rushing towards something cheerful. You are not thinking deeply about anything. You are happy, you have that intoxication of love you are seeing in this relationship, love you are seeing in this connection, happy for that. And it may be a new beginning in this connection, and it is something like an adventure for you. This connection is inspiring you, making you happy, and you have found the person you want, person of your dreams, and you were wishing for this kind of a relationship, and today you are enjoying this connection, having a good time, and you are going to see something unexpected today. You never thought this person will come to you with this suggestion or come to you with this um, announcement. So, a happy news, an announcement coming from this person, or a proposal, some good news from this person, and it's going to be a happy surprise today, Taurus. A big surprise. You never expected this from them today. And in your career, Taurus, you are happy with the way circumstances are proceeding. You are seeing the beginning of something good, something positive. But you need to be a little careful. If you are making important decisions, you must be careful. You should not rush. You should not make hasty choices today. And circumstances are good. So, just like the saying goes, make hay while the sun shines. So, things are falling into place. everything will work out, but you need to be a little careful today, Taurus. So, for your moon energies, have faith in your dreams. A very positive, beautiful card. Circumstances may be a little slow. You were expecting something, but what you're getting may not be up to expectation, but it is the beginning of something good coming to you. Something good in your career or something good in your relationship. You need a lot of focus. You should not give up your dreams and goals, your plans for the future. So, everything will be okay. Nothing is ending. There are few steps you need to take before you reach success, before you reach completion. And you need to be very hopeful. Have faith because you are going to see beautiful changes in your life, and you need a lot of focus, concentration in your career. And the same way, you should not give up on this love because things are shaping up in this relationship. Everything is going to go well. You need not fear, you need not lose hope. So, that is the energy with these cards. So, for your message from your person, no matter how others see me, you make me feel special. So, that is the message for you all. So, this person loves you truly. That is the reading for you all today, guys. And I have a pick a card reading, Taurus. If you are interested, if you want more clarity, you can watch that reading, Taurus. So, bye, guys. I will see you next time. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card, and this is your second card. So, you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes, and choose the card that comes to you first. That way, the reading may resonate. I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. For those who chose this card, we will see what it is. The Fates. So, in your circumstances today, it may be in your career, it may be in your relationship. You are seeing some circumstance, and it may be quite difficult for you to accept. But when you cannot change something in your life, you have done your best, you have put in a lot of efforts, but still your situation is not changing. It is karma or destiny working its part. You need to understand that. So, accept the things that you cannot change and have courage to make changes in few things that you can do, and having the wisdom to know the difference between certain things you cannot do anything about no matter what efforts you're making, and in certain situations you will be able to change. So you need that acceptance today and feel peace within yourself, peace in your heart. So, the same way in your relationship, you cannot change this person according to your wishes. Sometimes you need to accept them as they are. So, instead of molding the people, you should try to be in that relationship in such a way that it is not making you uncomfortable. And you need to see them as they are truthfully. Whatever is happening between you and this person is perfect, in the perspective of that of universe. And it is time for you to love unconditionally. And for each of us, we are on our own journey. We cannot direct that journey for another person, and we must accept that. And if this relationship means something difficult, you are doing a lot, you are not seeing any changes, you should understand that this relationship is fated. It is meant to be this way, and you are meant to evolve into a better person because of this relationship. You may feel that circumstances are not good and you are seeing painful things happening to good people. Maybe you are so good, but still there are some difficult circumstances you are seeing. But destiny is a mystery. We cannot do anything about certain things. We are powerless to change. So we need to have that acceptance. When we do that, there will be a peace so deep, and that will be calming our spirit and soul. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. So let's see what is the second card for those who chose this card. Rapunzel, liberation. So, in your circumstances, you feel trapped in your circumstance, hidden away, and you have accepted this situation, and you are not willing to come out of the shell, not willing to connect to people. You may have a few people who are close to you. Other than that, you are not willing to communicate to anyone or come out of your shell or this prison that you have imposed on yourself. And this card comes with a message that you are deliberately avoiding people in your life. And this tower or prison is in your heart. It's not a physical thing, or it is not other people who are imposing those rules on you. So you need to stop being this way and live a life taking risks. And you need to consider your circumstance, whether you want to connect to people, whether you want to relate to others, whether you wish to do that. And you may feel safe within your shell, but it is not life. Isolating yourself alone, it's not going to help you in any way. And you need to give up all the negative thoughts. You may have fears of future, or fear of failure in a relationship, fear of seeing something bad in your life, and that is the reason you are not coming out of that shell. You are isolating yourself. So you need to give up all those thoughts, whatever is holding you back, weighing you down, and you need to change your perception, releasing attachment to your past. Whatever has happened, and you must just take the lessons but not fear or feel anxious over what may happen in your future. So, change is in your hands. You are the one who is powerful to change your situation, change your life, and the time of waiting is over for you. Waiting in isolation, waiting within this shell is over for you guys. So, you need to come out now, because there are people who love you, who care for you, who want to connect with you. So that is the energy here with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow. Bye, guys.